How to make the best healthy side dish, cabbage with kale and broccoli. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. This is a very simple recipe. You'll need organic cabbage, organic kale. I have 2 bags here, they're both 10 ounces. And then organic broccoli. This bag is also 10 ounces. We have organic salted butter. I'm going to use half a stick. We have organic pepper and organic pink Himalayan salt. And also 8 ounces of water. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is add the 8 ounces of water to the pot. And I'll turn this on. The next thing I'm going to do is put in half a stick of this organic butter. Then I'm going to start off with pink Himalayan salt. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of organic ground pepper. So the next step is to chop up the cabbage and put it in. It's going to take the cabbage longer to cook. This frozen kale and broccoli really just need to be warmed up. The cabbage is the main thing that needs to cook, so we're going to put this in first and let it cook down before we add the rest of the ingredients. So I'm going to remove this from the packaging and give it a good rinse. I'm just going to cut off this brown end right here, but I'm going to cook this entire cabbage. I'm not going to cut out the core. I'm actually going to cook that and use that too. That's it. This is the only part from the cabbage I'm not going to use. This can also be done with green cabbage, but I'm using red cabbage this time. Just going to cut it in half. Cut it in half again. I'm just going to cut it into strips. So we'll take the cabbage that we chopped, put it into the pot, and we'll repeat the process, chopping the rest of it and getting it into the pot. I let this cook on medium-high for 15 minutes. This is how I like my cabbage. If you like yours a little more firm, you can cook it for a shorter amount of time. If you like yours more tender, you can cook it longer. Just try it as you're cooking it. So with the cabbage done, now I'm just going to cut open my bags of kale and broccoli, add them in. Once they're thawed, this dish is done. So everything's mixed together. Green vegetables are thawed out. The cabbage is nice and tender. So this is done. It took about 20 minutes to cook this, which isn't that bad. You'll get many servings out of this. This is a great side dish. Very dense in micronutrients, potassium. I'm sure Dr. Berg would love something like this too. So if you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless.